Hello dear friends, this is video number 28 and the last one in a series of videos about standards for constructing and equipping new healthcare facility. For more videos, please visit my Facebook page Healthcare Quality and my YouTube channel Dr. Hassan Kamel. Sources of these standards were discussed in the first video. I'll be very happy to answer questions from your side. If you like it, please support me with likes and follow. In this video, we will talk about mechanical standards. First, general standards. Mechanical, electrical, and HVAC equipment may be located either internally or externally or in separate buildings. Second, thermal and acoustical insulation standards. Duct linings exposed to air movement shall not be used in ducts serving operating rooms, delivery rooms, LDR rooms, nurseries, protective environment rooms, and critical care units. This requirement shall not apply to mixing boxes and acoustical traps that have special coverings over such linings. Third, steam and hot water systems standards. Boilers shall have the capacity based upon the net rating published by the Hydronics Institute or another acceptable national standard to supply the normal heating, hot water, and steam requirements of all systems and equipment. Their number and arrangement shall accommodate facility needs despite the breakdown or routine maintenance of any one boiler. The capacity of the remaining boilers shall be sufficient to provide hot water services for clinical, dietary, and patient use, steam for sterilization and dietary purposes, and heating for operating, delivery, birthing, labor, recovery, intensive care, nursery, and general patient rooms. Fourth, air conditioning, heating, and ventilation systems standards. Number one, though natural window ventilation for non-sensitive areas and patient rooms may be employed, weather permitting, availability of mechanical ventilation should be considered for use in interior areas and during periods of temperature extremes. Air supply and exhaust in rooms for which no minimum total air exchange rate is noted may vary down to zero in response to room load. To maintain asepsis control, airflow supply and exhaust should generally be controlled to ensure movement of air from clean to less clean areas, especially in critical areas. Fresh air intakes shall be located at least 7.6 meters from exhaust outlets of ventilating systems, combustion equipment stocks, medical surgical vacuum systems, plumbing vents, or areas that may collect vehicular exhaust or other noxious fumes. Prevailing winds and or other structures may require greater clearances. Plumbing and vacuum vents that terminate at a level above the top of intake may be located as close as 3 meters. The bottom of outdoor air intake serving central systems shall be as high as practical, but at least 1.8 meters above ground level, or if installed above the roof, 90 centimeters above roof level. Exhaust outlets from areas that may be contaminated shall be above roof level and arranged to minimize recirculation of exhaust air into the building. Number 3, in new construction and major renovation work, air supply for operating and delivery rooms shall be from ceiling outlet near the center of the work area. Return air shall be near the floor level. Each operating and delivery room shall have at least 2 return air inlets located as remotely from each other as practical. Design should consider turbulence and other factors of air movement to minimize fall of particulates onto sterile surfaces. Where extraordinary procedures such as organ transplant justify special designs, installation shall properly meet performance needs as determined by applicable standards. These special designs should be reviewed on a case-by-case basis. Air supply for rooms used for invasive procedures shall be at or near the ceiling. Return or exhaust air inlets shall be near the floor level. Exhaust grills for anesthesia evacuation and other special applications shall be permitted to be installed in the ceiling. Number 5, each space routinely used for administering inhalation anesthesia and inhalation analgesia shall be served by scavenging system to vent waste gases. If a vacuum system is used, the gas collecting system shall be arranged so that it doesn't disturb patients' respiratory systems. Gases from the scavenging system shall be exhausted directly to the outside. The anesthesia evacuation system may be combined with the room exhaust system, provided that the part used for anesthesia gas scavenging exhaust directly to the outside and is not part of the recirculation system. Scavenging systems are not required for areas where gases are used only occasionally, such as emergency room, offices for routine dental work, etc. Acceptable concentrations of anesthetizing agent are unknown at this time. The absence of specific data make it difficult to set specific standards. However, any scavenging system should be designed to remove as much of the gas as possible from the room environment. It's assumed that anesthetizing equipment will be selected and maintained to minimize leakage and contamination of room air. Number 6, the bottoms of ventilation openings shall be at least 7.6 centimeters above the floor. Number 7, all central ventilation or air conditioning systems shall be equipped with filters. Filter frames shall be durable and proportioned to provide an airtight fit with the enclosing ductwork. A manometer shall be installed across each filter bed having a required efficiency of 75% or more, including hoods requiring HEPA filters. Thank you.